that was donated to me in Calgary, Alberta. So I am out here. We're going to come and see the people and represent what we got. Yeah, I'm sure today is August 15th, 2021. I'm under the rain just to come and represent what I got. Okay, we're going to continue going in. That was holding the stick, and that's him, and he's well. So there's people coming in to come with them this time to share, just to come and leave it for them to do their job. They should do what they're good at. And this is the representative. My name is Esther. Esther Foundation Limited is in Guinea-Conakry right now. We came to support the Lettery Village Orphanage. I was here 2 years ago. This was the first day I came when I came to Guinea-Conakry for my foundation. And I came, I donated stuff. Today again, I came back to donate what they gave to me as a donation in Calgary, Alberta for my Dallas and store. And Lady Curtis Mugistin and Jackie Nafala and Tidan Kate and Christiana Fofi and also me and Peace Legal. We came together, they donated some money for us to come and buy some food stuff and clothing and soap and sewing machine and give it to the less privileged. So we are here at this orphanage. This orphanage mainly they are all big people, but they have some small children also, and they have some kids, they are suffering from some disease. And as you can see, this kid, I think he just came out of surgery because he has some issue with his head. They have some people that they cannot see, they are blind, and some people they cannot walk, and some people they are sitting in the wheelchair. This is the main orphanage. So I'm just pleading to all the Albertan people, if you have a free wheelchair to donate, please call Esther Foundation and donate to Esther Foundation. I just want to say thank you and thank you. I am very happy to see everybody. 3 years ago when I came, I met him and he's still alive. And I met another person too. He's one of the representatives. I met him, but one of them, they say he's very sick. He had a high blood pressure issue. I did not meet him in the place where they say he's home. So all of us should pray for him for speedy recovery, for him to come back on his feet, to come back to work, because without them we will not make this journey. All of them come together, they put hands together too to support my organization and see and say what I brought to them. They are happy. So I just want to say thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Est-ce que vous avez un mot à dire? Association Esther Fondation Esther. Voilà, c'est pas sa première fois, je la connais très bien. Elle a été plusieurs fois ici pour nous donner des dons. C'est pour cela, dès que je l'ai vu directement, bon, c'était la chaîne. Donc, vraiment, on est content à plus d'un titre. Donc, surtout en cette période, quitter sous la pluie, venir à la cité de Solidarité. Ils peuvent donner maintenant à d'autres orphelinats. Mais pourquoi ils ont choisi la cité de Solidarité? C'est que déjà, il y a un partenariat entre eux. Donc, franchement, je remercie sa fidélité et je remercie tout le monde. Et on est très content. Le directeur n'est pas là, il est malade, donc je le souhaite prompt rétablissement. Je lui ferai le compte rendu parce que dès qu'il est venu, il a demandé le directeur. Donc franchement, ce que vous nous avez envoyé, vraiment ça c'est beaucoup déjà. C'est beaucoup déjà. Et nous allons répartir vraiment en bonne séance, comme d'habitude. Donc vraiment, je ne peux, parce que quand on est trop content, c'est-à-dire on a manque de mots. Donc si j'ai un autre mot plus cher, plus important que le mot remerciement, je le prononce. Merci beaucoup. Merci.
Très sincèrement, la Fondation STF, il ne ménage aucun effort qu'il nous envoie chaque fois. Ce n'est pas sa première fois comme l'a dit. Ce n'est pas la première fois. Donc, on ne fait que le remercier. Nous comptons beaucoup sur cette fondation depuis le Canada. On leur avait dit, au lieu de donner chaque fois du poisson à quelqu'un, il faut l'aider à pêcher. Donc toujours nous comptons sur eux pour qu'ils nous viennent en aide, pour nous sortir de l'ornière, parce que nous voulons travailler nous aussi, pour avoir quelque chose. Je les remercie très sincèrement.
Quand même, na premier homme. Et nous, quand on commence à faire des rappels, il fait mais mais ngawol wadde golleji ɗuɗuɗi haray ɗo ya faggude sakkuɗum ɗum walludu sakkitan ɗo faggo joni noon ɗum noon fof ko andidingo fi meɗen ɓe ɓeydu ballal ngal ade ko weltana kon ɓe en duwanike ɓe yo Allah o moƴƴi haajuji meɗen e haajuji maɓɓe kala e ɓen ga wondiri Allah o moƴƴina ɗum danda en boni kala ko ya Allah ya Allah a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim maliki yawmiddin iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim ghayril maghdubi alaihim waladdallin آمين ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Representative that represents me in Guinea-Conakry. In anything, those two are my people that do everything for me for Esther Foundation in Guinea-Conakry. So those are the two that do Esther Foundation when I'm not around. They do the paperwork, they do the map and everything. So today we are out of the brain just to come and donate to the next people in the orphanage. And I'm very happy and I came and what they did. They did a great job. You know, they have done a great job for me. I'm very happy what they are doing for me for Esther Foundation. I can go to Canada and have a peace of mind and ship anything. I know they will take care of it for me. So Esther Foundation is walking around the orphanage right now. Just like when I came back 3 years ago, I did the same thing. I walk around in the same orphanage and video everything that you guys saw. So you see, you guys, the house. According to them, they just built this two places. The president just built this two places, which is very good. That's the thing we like to see. As I said, you cannot always wait for the president and to do what they need to do. We need to do our own part too, because all of us are human beings. We need to help each other. Look at the houses. This house needs to be built. Like something needs to be done about this house. please, if anybody see Esther Foundation, you guys come, let's put hands together. Me, I'm not looking for money to put in my pocket. No, I'm using my own money to do this. But I just want someone to come out to support and come, let's put hands together and make a difference in the society. I'm not going to just stop by Guinea. I want to go everywhere. I want to wipe so many people tears, so many children tears. We are there to help each other, to lift each other up. Director, say something.
Ok, aujourd'hui nous sommes dans la cité de Solidarité, encore une fois pour venir faire des dons. Et vous-même vous voyez dans ces images comment les gens sont ou comment les gens vivent ici. Ils sont vraiment dans la précarité. Donc Esther Foundation se bat pour venir en aide à ces enfants démunis et changer la condition de vie de ces personnes vulnérables. Donc nous sommes là dans ce cadre ce matin pour pouvoir apporter notre grain de sel à la vie de ces enfants qui sont là, qui manquent d'éducation, qui sont en manque de beaucoup d'infrastructures de base. Donc nous sommes là dans ce cadre ce matin et encore une fois, nous remercions toujours la Fondation dont je suis le représentant en Guinée ici et nous continuons toujours à remercier aussi nos partenaires qui sont à l'extérieur et de nous assister encore une fois de plus pour pouvoir changer un peu la vie de ces personnes démunies. Je vous remercie.
So the only thing they need is money, donation, to come and get it from him, then he can fix the wheelchair for the person. This is the place now they make wheelchair, so we don't need to say, okay, they need wheelchair from Canada. The only thing they need is support, like donation, then we can send them the money, then they can fix the wheelchair here. So can I see any wheelchair that you guys have fixed here? Wheelchair susu ya mina gani?
Aku, itu
au lieu de commander à l'intérieur, maintenant
l'essentiel quoi, un échantillon quoi.
un échantillon. Où dit-il là?
Okay. This is one of the wheelchairs we designed. As you can see, it's still in process. I think we just parked it here, but he just needs a sponsor. He just needs someone to give him some money that he can make more wheelchair in this orphanage with people on the ground. So this is one of them. And as you can see, he too, he has a walking stick, but he's very handy man. He's so creative of doing those things. So he just need that help. This is the wheelchair he fixed. People order it, and this is the one he fixed. So right now, they just need that sponsor for them to get some money and make more wheelchair for the people. Because now they can make their own wheelchair, which is very good and very impressive. I'm very, very proud of them. Because 3 years ago when I came, this was not in place. So the president is actually trying very well. He's doing his best. We thank God for that. And he's trying, you know. We just need to help him too. How are you? How are you? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I don't know why